Hello guys, this is how I wash my model cars. I'm placing my model car on my handmade car wash. I rinse it with filtered water. I prefer filtered water because it doesn't leave residues. Then I'm spraying a self-cleaning soap. You can also use regular soap and then scrub it a little bit so you can remove the dust. After I'm done with the soap, I rinse it with filtered water again. Then I leave it so the water can go off, and then I spray it with ceramic wax. I also leave it a little bit so it can work on the surface. Then I rinse it with filtered water again. I rinse it very well so it doesn't leave any residues behind. After that, I use compressed air to blow the excess water away. I do this until there is no water left on the vehicle, on the model car. If the weather is warm, after I'm finishing with the compressed air, I leave it a bit outside, so if there is any remaining humidity or drops of water, you can dry out. As you can see now, it's almost done. You can rub it with microfiber cloth if you like. And here is the result of the clean model car. So that is a quick video of how I wash my model cars. I hope you liked it, enjoyed it and found it useful. As always, thank you for watching, and until next time, stay safe and take care. Bye bye.